Cambridge ICT 23 June paper 22 presentation. I already have the source files on desktop. I also have the evidence file created and partially solved. I will just go directly to the presentation. Okay, task 4 presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. That is PowerPoint. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. If you are using the master slide properly, it will show. Create a presentation. To create a presentation, you go to your work area, right-click, new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and name it with your name. Enter twice. So now you have the presentation displayed with no slides at all, and this is best. You will get 6 slides from this file, VC Word. Okay. New slide, slides from outline, go to the desktop, 23 June paper 22, and the file is VC, let us check the name again, VC Word, yes, VC Word, RTF. When you insert, you get 6 slides. When you insert, you get 6 slides. Unless otherwise instructed, the slides must be displayed as a title and bullets. By default, they are all displayed in the form of title and bullets. Okay. Click on save whenever you think you should. Place in the header automated slide number left align. Place in the footer your name, center number, candidate number. This should be in the master slide. When you are doing presentation, headers and footers become the master slide. So the exam is not saying it, but you have to. So go to view and then go to view and then slide master. And please remember that you have to apply your formatting on the slide on the master at the top. Yeah, this is the parent of all slides. Just make sure you click on this. Okay, let us go back to the exam. Header, in the header, automated slide number left align. So here on the right, I'm sorry. Place in the header, automated slide number left. Here on the left, first you have to put a text box, and then you put slide number. In the master slide, in that parent master slide. So insert text box, draw here a text box, immediately insert slide number, and that symbol will become slide number. Okay, place in the footer your name, center number, candidate number. These boxes, they don't work. They need special actions to make them work. I just don't want to use them. I highlight them all and click on the keyboard button delete. Okay, so I get rid of all of them. And then in the footer, your name, center number, left align. So in the footer left, insert text box. You draw a box here on the left, and then put here your name, center number, candidate number, and make sure you are typing them correctly. Okay, let us close the master view, the slide master view, and make sure they appear consistently on all slides. So this is slide master and close master view. Okay, please check on every slide on the left, top left, you have your slide number, and at the bottom of every slide on the left, you have your candidate details. Okay. Definitely, with the presentation comes a chart. Using the data in the file J22, 23, 22 APPS. Let us double click on it. This is APPS, double click on it. And it's opening in Excel. I would recommend that you select all between A and B, double click, and this is auto fit. And let us study what's in here. The exam is asking you create a vertical bar chart to show the number of downloads for each app. Number of downloads, these are the number of downloads. And these are the apps. Okay, again, select all, double click to make them totally visible. Select all, double click. These are the application titles. These are the application types, and these are the number of downloads. So I must create a vertical bar chart to show the number of downloads for each app. The chart must display only app title, download million. Okay. 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 Highlight the app title column and then hold the control button and then highlight millions downloads in million. Okay. Highlight these two columns and then insert and then column chart, and this is two-dimensional column chart. Yeah, I think it looks correct. Display only the app title. These are the application titles. This chart must display only app title, downloads million. Display with label the app titles on the category axis. I have the app titles here on the category axis. However, I didn't yet put the label. Do not display a legend. There is no legend. If you click on that, you will see that legend is not highlighted. Okay? Okay. We will add this title soon. Label the chart as follows. The chart title, put this here as the chart title. Okay? An axis value, million. Let us click on that plus and add axis titles, both horizontal and vertical. Okay, so after writing the title, you click on that plus, and click here on axis titles. So there is a title here, and there is a title there. And that title on the vertical y-axis, they call it the value axis, type million. So it is clear that these values are in millions. Okay, so let us go back. The chart must display only the app title and downloads with labels. So maybe here, access title that, put it in here, the label app title. So the title is top fitness, the category axis is app title, the vertical axis is million. Display only the data values along the top of each bar. Click on that plus and pick data labels. So now values are displayed on top of each bar. Format the value axis. The y-axis is called the value axis because it is the one that holds values. Format the value axis, minimum 0, maximum 15, increment of 3. Click on it once, and then right-click, format axis. Okay. The minimum value is 0. Okay. The maximum value should be 15. And the major increment first, do the increment, make it 3. And then make this 15. So make the increment 3. And make the maximum 15. And the minimum 0. And the minor, leave it. It doesn't show. Okay? So now the minimum is 0. Maximum is 15. Increment is 3. Yeah, as you can see, it is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. They will see this. They will not see what you did. Okay, close that. Now place the chart to the left of the bullets on the slide with the title, Virtual Cycling Trends. Click here. Click somewhere in a white place on the chart. Click on button copy. Go to the presentation and look for the slide called Virtual Cycling Trends. Yes, the second one. I wanted the left of the bullets. So click in here on the second slide number 3. Click somewhere here and adjust this box so that all text is on the right, so you can have some free space from this handle. Make sure you have enough space for the chart and click on paste because you already have copied the chart. Paste. The chart is in place. Okay, make sure no overlaps. You may increase the height, you may make it bigger as much as you wish. Okay, as long as there is no overlap. No words in the chart are split. All data and labels are fully visible. The chart and its contents is not overlapping any slide item. Okay, nothing. It is perfect. Just click on button save. On the slide with the title Virtual Cycling Tricks. Yeah, this is. Create a square-shaped action button and position this in the top right corner. What is that square-shaped action button? Just put a box. Just put a square-shaped box. And it's going to be an action button because it's going to have a hyperlink on it. So nothing about being an action button. So just go here to the right and insert, shape, look for a box. Just look for it. Well, for example, this box. Okay, I will draw here a box. Okay, it looks like a box. Okay, type in it top fitness trends. Just type in it using the keyboard. Top fitness, just type using the keyboard. Top fitness trends. So I'm just drawing a text box. And it looks, it's filled in blue. It's okay. And type in it the text. Enter the text top fitness trend as the text on the action button. Okay. Format the action button so that when clicked, it opens the document with the file name trends.rtf. After typing in the title, keep the box highlighted, insert hyperlink, insert a link. I would like to create a link from that button to open a file. So insert a link and click on existing file or web page and link to the file called trends.rtf. This is the file called trends.rtf. Don't click on OK because I need a screenshot evidence. Okay, so place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the action button, link it to the correct document, make sure the file name is fully visible. Okay, take a screenshot of that. This is the file name, it is written here. Okay, take a screenshot of that. Snipping tool, new. Okay, I will show also the box together with the window. Okay, go into the evidence and place it in here and save. Okay, Next, set the slideshow so it loops continuously on the screen. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the presentation set to display a continuous on-screen loop. Go to slideshow. Okay, please, okay, first. Go to slideshow and click on setup slideshow. Setup slideshow. And here is loop continuously. And take a screenshot of this. Snipping tool, new. Take a picture of that. Maybe this is the last picture in the evidence. Make sure you save the evidence. And then in the presentation, you click OK. OK. Save your presentation. Print all slides as handouts in portrait orientation with 3 slides to the page. OK. File, print, and make sure instead of full page, make it 3 slides. What is that? Those empty lines are for comments taken by the audience. Just don't mind them. Okay, they are 3 slides to the page. And orientation is portrait. So just print that, and this is the 6 slides. Okay. After printing this, 3 slides to the page. Okay. You still have to print the slide with virtual cycling prints, the full page in landscape orientation. So this is slide number 3, another print. However, make it here full slide, full page slide, and type here slide number 3 and click beside so that it shows. So it is full page slide. It is already in landscape. It is already in landscape, printed, and this is the end of the presentation. Just remember also to print the evidence so that you get reward for the evidence. Thank you very much for your attention.